You're smart. You've got degrees, you understand complex stuff, yet somehow you're still broke. Meanwhile, someone dumber than you is out there making six figures. Why? Because intelligence alone won't make you rich. Here's the truth. The world doesn't pay you for what you know. It pays you for the value you provide. Let's break down why smart people stay broke, and more importantly, how to escape. Now, I'm not saying drop out. I'm saying formal education isn't enough. School teaches you how to be a great employee, not how to create wealth. Smart people love learning, but learning without action is just entertainment. You can read 50 books on investing, but if you never invest $1, it's useless. Execution beats knowledge every time. Smart people overanalyze everything. What if it fails? What if it's not perfect? Meanwhile, someone less intelligent just starts and figures it out along the way. You think making six figures means you're rich? Wrong. If you spend everything you make and only rely on one source of income, you're still broke, just at a higher level. Smart people often think saving is enough, but inflation eats away at your savings. The rich don't save money, they multiply it. If you're not investing, your money is dying. If you want real wealth, stop focusing only on traditional jobs. Learn skills that generate money on demand, like sales, investing, or building online income streams. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start messy. Start small. But start. Even making $1 from a side hustle shifts your mindset from employee to entrepreneur. So take action, even if it's small. The rich don't just earn money, they deploy it. Your money should be out there working harder than you do. If your money isn't making money, you'll always be stuck working for it. Being smart is a gift, but don't let it be your weakness. If you want to escape the smart but broke trap, stop overthinking and start doing. Wealth isn't about how much you know, it's about what you do with it. Start today, and your future self will thank you.